Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Has had 820 starts rather for the 25.
His form again. Kurt Lohera takes the first shot of the game and knocks it down over Enzo Joson. And Kurt Lohera,
leading scorer for the season para dito sa Cagers, and so you really hope as a Cagers fan that he starts scoring, but
ang ganda lang no? If you're Basilan, tuloy-tuloy lahat ng players mo, maganda yung nilalaro for Coach Rich.
Totoo yun. And then, katulad nga, yung hindi naman ganun kasmooth yung panimula nila, pero ang ganda ng recovery. And right now, as you see that drive by Kaduyak, they are in a good pace.
Raymar Kaduyak.
Oh, tsaka you were pretty high on him, coming in para dito sa Basilan.
Sabi mo, maniwala ka lang. Coach Mike, maniwala ka lang. Dadating at dadating tayo doon. Kahit pala to si Raymar Kaduyak kasi the first few games, he was really struggling big time. Well, what about that finger roll?
Jervy Cruz from the outside.
Also one guy you can't leave from the outside, Domark Matiliano.
Oo naman. Para dito sa ating mga players. Gab again.
Yeah, Gab Dagangon, natin.
But he's mixing it up, After making shots from the outside, now he says, "No, I'm gonna put the ball on the floor and see how you guys react." But Domark,
Aero Bongay against Tempra, swings it over to Patrick Ramos with a 3.
I like that swing on that ball reversal coming up.
I felt like there was a weight on their shoulders, that at some point in this, a lot of times in this losing streak.
The mga early games nila against the Gensan, San Juan, and Mindoro, where at some point they were playing really good, and then nagkakaroon ng stretch na halos walang production, and then they start.
It's a crucial game because if they do end up tied by the end of the regular season, that should be the tiebreaker.
That's right.
Patrick Ramos, good hustle play, finds Domark Matiliano, the sniper. And Mudrell, no good. Rebound in Flores. Here comes Huntin Lupa. Flores thought about it. Bigay kay Kurt Lohera. Kurt drives middle and he puts it in, plus the foul.
Boy, and so far the Cagers are feeling that level of confidence in the early goings. Little jab going left and a finish going middle for Kurt Lohera. Tried to size up where that drop coverage was since
LGR's the official outfitter of the
Lohera. Nangunguna na nga pagdating sa puntos para dito sa Cagers, at nangunguna rin siya sa steal. Sa kala magandang bawi ni Santos. I think one of the reasons to see this shot attempt by Alex, one of the concerns really I feel of, well, they allowed 16 attempts para dito sa Cagers where they got only 8.
And Lloyd Cabigin. Jimboy Pastoran for 3. He knocks it down.
This is what makes Basila a dangerous team. They've got really very capable three-point shooters. You see another basket right
over 50% yan, but they are down by 9. And Arwin Santos rises for that jumper.
Ay, so kung ngayon ang Cagers, kailangan lampasan mo to.
The turnaround from Miggy Corteza left here in the first period. Jimboy finds Adi Santos inside.
Job of finding your tag man. Post up.
Nabalcar, the turnaround shot. And
missed 3 already for Miggy.
Eman Calo nakatagilid, tumira pa rin. Calo with the putback of his own miss.
Just
he misfires this time. Inside, that's parang ikaw, Coach Mike, nililista mo na kung ano yung projection mo. Kilala kita eh.
Ang mahirap doon yung pagtingin doon sa numero kasi isa-isahin mo yan eh.
Sometimes, they're more often than not, they cannot really truly explain what was really.
I told them the numbers were pretty okay. Your offensive rebound.
And Arwin Santos providing the. Valentin has been very nice, huh?
Oh yeah, but I love BBQ.
Oh, BBQ, he sent it over. Oh, look at that. Ganda na naman ang dukot ni Alex Cabagnot doon. Tira ni Alex Cabagnot. Some contact there. It really threw him off a little bit. Oh, what a finger roll.
Sa pag-handle ng bola at huwag hayaang makakuha ng puntos doon ang kanilang mga kalaban. Domark Matellano once again getting back at Gab Dagango na tsaka halos siya na yung nag-take over after bumaba yung production ni Puroy Kantimbuhan eh.
A little over 3 minutes remaining here in the second period. Ron Lastimosa. And Cortez has to be stronger than that. But I thought he was fouled there. I really thought he was fouled.
That was the second instance that where we saw Tempra extend a little bit that arm, making it appear as a push pero walang naitawag. The other one was when he got that pass down low. As you see Coach Vincent Harder and Coach Gino.
Lohera, jumper, got it.
Gustuhan ko dun yung decision niya. Ang daming activity na nangyari pero nag-decide siya, ako na ang titira.
And Jervy Cruz with the answer.
6 points for Jervy. 2 out of 2 from 3.
Oh, Miggy Corteza with a 3. Get up here. They go to Raflores against Cruz. Raflores down the middle. It trickles in. Cabagnot goes to his spot. Fade away, won't go. Tempra, put back, got it. Plus the foul.
Ganda ng pagkaka-allocate ni on that roll. Pero ito, hinabol niya yung miss and immediately went up.
He completes the 3-point. Kaduyak goes to Santos. Arwind, finger roll, and he gets that one.
That finger roll down the middle. See that here, couple of actions that slip down by Tempra in that middle lane finish para dito kay Arwin Santos.
That was poor defense though.
Agree.
With a crossover against Kaduyak, that's a foul. And even
Laddie keeping that lead for the Cagers at the half.
Oh, 7 is Sabigin, who has a couple of baskets.
Mickey got 6 as well, coming off the bench.
And Patrick Ramos, the leading scorers are Basila and Dagango with 9. And Santos with 6. Adi and Arwin with 6 apiece. And Adi scores his 8th point of the ball game.
Well, Adi Santos so far has not missed. Ang pinapakita, puro catch and shoot instances. Another 3 by Domark.
That was poor defense there. Poor recognition at that time. Here comes Eman Calo. Calo finds Tempra underneath.
Oh, another nice pass. Para dito.
Bonga against Tempra. Ramos is open. Yes, he rattles that one home. Just a smart play from Patrick Ramos.
Here.
Cabagnot knocks down the 3.
Well, Alex,
Utoy Abarcar is in the game in place of Kurt Lohera. There's a steal. Eman Calo. Cabagnot. Oh, Calo. A smart foul given up by Utoy Abarcar, although that is already their 3rd team foul, and now
and being more active on their end of the floor sa defense.
1 for 2 for Addison. That's a foul on Matiliano on Cabagnot.
Full leadership na bit-bit talaga ni Alex para dito sa mga sa Basilan, no?
Corteza against Tempra. Miggy looking for a way through. Miggy Corteza.
Tarato, middle door was closed, baseline drop step was closed. Really had to create with that feet work.
Alex Cabagnot, Corteza again. That's a foul on Kaduyak. Tempra there, wala ka na magagawa.
Wala ka na talaga magagawa.
that. It's a rebound. Arwin has it. Labas kay Alex. Back to Arwin. Jumper from Arwin. Nothing but net. Ayan. Sa team na to.
Agree. And much as you have other players inside positions, no overlapping, roles.
One for two.
Pass because you already got 2 on the ball.
Abarcar finds a teammate inside. Lupa just finding players na makapag-step up dito sa larong to.
Binigyan lang siya ng magandang pasa doon ni Utoy Abarcar. Nice fake by Alex.
Nabagnot, dire-diretso.
Roll by Adi Santos.
Calo for 3. Got it.
They always say the most.
And a chance for Muntinlupa to extend the lead. Calo returns the favor to Cabagnot. A 3. And the Star Horse are up by 7 here in the third. Finishing with 18 wins.
Yeah, if they get to win those
No more, no? Kasi malapit ko na rin itapon to eh. And look at Adi Santos fly in.
Higa nga ni Malipiton. Aray ko.
At uncomfortable. That's when really the other team is getting their way on them.
Ganun talaga nagiging pattern. Things are slowing down. And so this is no exception. Oh, wow.
They really have to start now. Ramos trying to find Bongay. Good catch. Kaduyak to Arwin. Santos will fire. He gets his own miss. Muntik pa pumasok. Dagangon tips it in.
Yeah, when that ball sticks, din bumabagal yung opensa nila eh.
Oh, a steal here by Arwin Santos. Count the basket plus the foul.
13th turnover of the game for awarded for Basilan. We talked about the ball sticking. And Arwin Santos really just had to dig in real low on that dribble by Ron Lastimosa.
Hindi tumatanda. Ito si Arwin Santos. And 5 minutes remaining in this ball game. Tempra to Kaduyak. Raymar fires a 3. Masyado malakas. Dagangon is there to save the day.
How about Gab Dagangon? He's staying active. He started real
in the lead by 14. Lohera spins and puts it in for 2. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Calo goes for the step back. Tapika na bola. Ends up with Dagangon. Little fade away there from Gab. He misses. Tempra. Oh, nice move.
Performing this way for the Cagers tonight, but the hope really is to get a win.
Arwin, yes. Nice ball movement by Basilan.
And talagang para bumagal lahat para dito sa Cagers. Si Patrick Ramos once again going to work. And then all because napakaraming defense.
In contrast, Basilan already with 46 points here in the second half. Arwin Santos, easy too.
Mga players ang actually umaangat sa kanila sa bawat laro, pero halos yung mga katulong yun yung kailangan talaga nila eh.
Kurt Lohera takes it in by himself. 7. Lorenzo Navarro. Did not convert on the layup. He gets it.
Pero inunti-unti nila with a lot of efficiencies on their end of the floor, able to force a lot of turnovers dito sa Cagers.
Lohera sinks the free throw.
Yung hindi talaga asikaso.
Arwin, nag-effort din talaga yung mga bata sa Muntinlupa. Nakita naman natin yung first half. Pero sabi nga ni Boss Bernard, ito mga susunod na buwan. Ito na ang panahon nila Arwin, nila Jervy, nila Alex. No? Panahon na ng mga veterano para mag-step up. Anong tingin mo sa larong ito kanina?
Yun yung nagbigay ng pressure sa amin. Yung sinabi ni Boss Bernard. Kaya kami challenge sa amin na talaga mag-perform every game namin dahil alam naman natin habang lumalalim yung season, nagiging crucial na yung mga games. So ang goal din ng team namin, may panalo namin lahat ng games namin for September. Yun muna.
Arwind, sa dami mong naranasan na playoffs, finals, anong tingin mo dito sa nabuong team nyo na to sa Basilan?
Yung team namin ngayon, kasi nung una, nangangapa pa eh. Ngayon, medyo nag-aamo yan na medyo kabisado na namin yung bawat isa kasi matagal na rin kami magkakasama. And ang nakakatuwa sa team, sa mga teammates ko, alam mo, kahit ano yung natatalo man kami, positive lang kami lagi. Kami bilang leader, kami bilang mga veterano rito, kagaya nila Alex, nila Jerby, binibigay lang namin lagi yung pagkakikita kami sa practice, positive lang, para yun ang dadalhin namin sa game.